Hello everyone, today we're going to work with the car 2012 Toyota Yaris. We're going to replace the rotor and then the brake pad on the front side, passenger and then the driver side. And this is Nathan, this is my son, and he's going to learn how to change the rotor and the brake pad. And then we have the part ready. So first of all, what we have to do is we're going to jack up the car first. We have to jack up. And then put the jack stand for safe. Okay, now we're going to open the lock nut using 21 millimeters. Now we open the lock nut. On the side. And this for safety, put under the car like this. Okay. We're going to open the brake calipers using 14 millimeters. Sometimes you need the rubber mount to open because probably you don't have enough power to open this. Okay, so you just knock it. And the other side. Same thing, knock it. Open this. Put on the side first. Then remove this. And then you can put on the side first. Be careful with the hose. Do not break the hose. Okay, we can use the bungee cord also. This thing, so this won't bother you while you are working here. Okay, just like that. And then now you're going to move these two big bolts here. 1, 2 to remove the caliper bracket. These two bolts. This. Okay, this brake pad we're going to replace. This looks like still okay. This one is already was bad. So we're going to replace this. We're going to take this off. So we're going to need to put the bolt here to press this out. Okay, to remove this rotor, you need the bolt, this 17 millimeters bolt here. Put some WD-40. Okay, just like that. And then you turn it until it's out. Just like that. After out, and take this out. Very easy, right? And then we have to clean up this using the metal brush. Make it clean and then put anti-seize. Put the new one. That one also the brake pad. We put the new one. Everything should be okay. 2, 3. So we're going to clean up this brake cleaner. You can use the brush. And now we're going to rework with the calipers here. Okay, and the brake pad already. Before we take this out, and this one looks still good, still okay. So they are looks similar here. The other side. Thing. Okay, the most important thing we have to clean up, make sure they are clean, and see what we have here, the new one. Sweet. Okay, so we put the new bracket here that comes with it. Always in the brake pad, they are come in the back. So make sure you put the metal here later on. But the first thing you have to put this one in first. After you put the spring. Okay. Just not all the way in. That's enough. And also the other side. Okay, like that. But the best way, before you put this thing, you have to put the greaser, just like this, brake caliper grease. Okay, so you can take this out a little bit. Take brake caliper grease here. Okay, put some inside here. Don't need too much. Okay, don't need too much, just like that. And you can put in. That will be the best. Okay, if you don't have it, it's okay, but I recommend you use it. Okay. Okay, you don't have to press all the way in, because we're going to put back with the new rotor. Okay. So this is ready. And another thing, you have to open this thing here. Make sure they are plain. It's not like this. This is stuck already. So that means they have the grease inside. You have to clean up and then put a new grease inside using the same grease here, brake caliper grease. Okay. So this one is just pull all the way out like that, and then we clean it up. Okay, normally they are comes with it. Okay, here component lubricant, or if you don't have it, that doesn't come with it, you can use your own. Okay, make sure you put all the way there, enough. And then if me, I will clean up inside there. You can use brake cleaner too. Before you put the new one. Okay, let the air house. And then blow. And after that, we put the one that you already put the grease in. Boom. Make sure they are free like that. Okay, not stuck like this one. This one is stuck already. It doesn't even move. See that? Okay, it's supposed to be like that. Same thing this one. Take this out. Oh, this, that is very stuck. Like this, okay? Like that, plate, not stuck. Okay, and then we put on the side, and then we're going to put the new rotor. Don't forget the back plate. The new rotor looks very clean. There we go, brand new. time when you're going to open, to make it easy, you're gonna to put the anti-seize here. This is very important thing around this area. Okay, and then this area. Next time when you open again, very easy to open. No need to kick or using the hammer or using the bolt like that. Easy to take out. Then you can put some of them on the thread or the lock nut later on, so you don't have to put it anymore later on. Now put the new brake in. Like that. And then you can put the bolt first to hold steady. Okay, so this will be stable, not moving at all. You can put this back. To put this back, okay, and then before you put back, you can put the anti-seize seat like that. This one too. Right. Slide this back. Press this, then don't forget the back plate. Always remember this thing. Okay, and then you can tighten now. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put the caliper back. Okay. You see this? The caliper is already pushed out, so you cannot put it in. Okay. So what you need to do is you have to compress this in, so this one can put it back in there. Okay. But make sure you clean up a little bit this area here. Okay, you can use the tools, or if you don't have, you can use the C-clamp to press in. Okay, I will show you how to do it. If you're using the C-clamp, you have to put one of these. Okay, open the C-clamp. And then now you start compressing. Okay, push all the way in, just like that. Okay, there you go. Now it's already pushed all the way in. Okay, then you need to put the brake caliper grease again around this area. And this area. Okay, like that. And the bolt, also you put the anti-seize a little bit like that. And now you can put this back in easily. Tighten using the 40mm again. Then you can put your wheel back, and before you put the wheel back, make sure you get clean one, wipe a little bit. The brake job is done. Now time to put the new stop. Okay, before you put the wheel, the tire back, raise up a little bit, brush it. And this mark area, put the anti-seize. And also this area, also very important. So next time when you take off the wheel will be very easy. You never know, you get flat tire. It's very hard on the road if you hard to take off the wheel. If you do like this, the wheel will be very easy to take off if you get flat tire. Okay. Okay. Now put it in. And when you tighten the bolt, make sure it's crossing. Always crossing, crossing. Make it a little bit. And then tighten with the 100 foot-pound. Crossing always. Yeah. After you get that, now this one. Okay, that's the way how to tie the bolt, the wheel lock nut. Okay. That's it, and then this one is good to go, and then do the same thing with the other side. That's it. Thank you.